You're welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy bets to increase your earning in the coin farm investment game. So tonight we are looking at how to purchase an additional bet. But before then, let's look at calculate and let me show you the bets I have already in my investment. So here you see I have 25 green bets, I have 20 gold beds, yellow beds. I have 17 brown beds. I have 12 blue beds. I have 2 red beds, 1 king bed, and then 1 super bed. So we are going to purchase an additional blue bed, and if there is a balance, we'll buy another lesser bed depending on our balance. So here you see our account for purchasing bets. So this wallet, what is here, you can use it to purchase bets, and then here you can withdraw. So I have 45,959 silver coins. I'm going to try to purchase bets here. So like I said, you go to buy bets. So you click on buy bets, and then it takes you to the interface where you buy the bets. So like I told you, you see that the blue beds, I have 12 of them already. And the cost of purchasing a blue bed is 37,500 silver coins. And then I have 45,000 in my account to purchase beds. So I just come here, and so one is selected, and then I click on buy. Then you see it, you have successfully bought a bed. So now when you go down there, you see 13. You've already bought 13. And then when you go up, you see that my balance has reduced to 8,459 silver coins. Now I can buy another lower price bed. A brown bed is 7,500. So I want to buy one of that. I already have 17 here. So I click on buy, and then you have successfully bought a bed, and then you see that now I have 18 brown beds. Then you see the balance here has reduced to 959. When we go back to calculate, so you see that my daily earning has gone up by 2 cents. So initially I was earning 1.42 a day every 24 hours. So now I have 13 blue beds and 18 brown beds, 20 yellow beds, and then 25 green beds, and still 2 red beds, 1 king bed, and 1 super bed. So that is how you make the purchase of beds or buy beds to increase your earning, depending on how much you have. If you want to increase, you can replenish your account here by depositing money, and then you can purchase more beds. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.